So let me go with some more problems like look at this problem. Reduce the following function to its minimum sum of products form. So they are given expression like a bar b bar c bar d, a bar b c bar d, a bar b c d plus a bar b c d, like this. They are given expression. You know how to convert this Boolean expression to minterms, right? So putting 0 to bars, when there is no bar putting 1. So converting these binary numbers to decimal numbers. So these are the minterms which you are going to get. So though the given expression is in the form of SOP, so you are supposed to make use of summation of small m. If the given expression in the pos, then you are supposed to make use of a pi of m. Pos will be dealt at the later sessions. So let me go in detail with the SOP first, okay? So based on these numbers, I have filled the K-map like this. So 1 is here, 5 is here, so 6 is here, 7 is here, okay? Then we have 11, 12, 13, 15. I filled the ones, okay? So let me group how to group this. So when you look after the first, look after for the octants. Is there any 8 adjacent ones now? Look after, there is 8 adjacent ones. Do you find any 8 adjacent ones here? So no, you don't find any 8 adjacent ones. So when there is no possibility of 8 adjacent ones, forget about octant. Then go with a quad now. So look for any 4 ones now. 4 adjacent ones. So if you go like this, we have 3. 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 Okay. So you need 4 adjacent ones. So there is possibility of a quad. So if you look after the quad, look after this quad. So is there a possibility, right? This is a quad? Yes or no? So obviously people do this is a quad. Yes, this is a quad actually. So then we are left with ones. We have left 1 year, we have left 1 year, we have left 1 year, we have left 1 year. So is there any other possibilities of quads now? So like rolling, overlapping, something like that. So if you roll like this, if there is 1 year, there is no 1 year. If there is 1 year, there is no 1 year. If there is 1 year, there is no 1 year. Year is 1, there is no 1 year. So there is no possibility of one more quad here. So then you should think about the pairs. How to think about the pairs? So pairs means you should have 2 adjacent ones. Is there any possibility of 2 adjacent ones? If you look after this one, if you roll like, there is no 1 year. If you roll this one, there is no 1 year. For this, there is no 1 year. For this, there is no 1 year. So rolling is not possible. So now look after the overlapping. So overlapping means you can overlap this one, right? Overlap like this. I will overlap like this. And I will overlap this. I will overlap this. And I will overlap this. So 4 pairs. So when there is no possibility of an quad, we should think about the pairs. So there is 4 pairs. Okay. So after doing 4 pairs, you should think about, is this quad necessary? So the main intention of K-map, once you have filled the K-map with ones, you need to make sure that all the ones should be grouped. That's a basic thing. All the ones should be grouped. None of the ones should be left. Okay. So the thing is, these pairs have been filled. Group the ones. So is this quad necessary? Is this quad necessary? See, just an extra group. This is going to form an extra group. So this pair, this pair, this pair is fine. So why do you need this quad then? So just it's an extra. If you remove this quad also, all the ones are grouped, right? So then what is the necessity of putting this quad? As a first impression, what people do is people go with a quad. That is right. But later you need to think about, is there any redundant groups? Redundant groups means, is there any unnecessary groups or duplicate groups? You need to eliminate those things. This is one last step of this K-map. You need to remove this. So let me remove this quad. Let me go with only the pairs. I have just erased those things. I am just going with this pair, this pair, this pair, and this pair. So there is no need of quad now. So if you add quad, so then it is going to form a 5 pairs. If you remove the squad, then it is going to be if you add quad, then it is going to form a 5 groups. Okay. So now after removing the quad, you are coming with a 4 groups, which is better, right? So unnecessary adding one more quad doesn't make any sense. It is going to make an expression bigger. So let me write the expression for this one. For this one, C bar D. Here B bar B get cancels, A bar C bar D. A bar C bar D. Y is equal to A bar C bar D. Okay. Then going with this expression, look up here C D and C D bar. D bar D cancels. C remains. Here A bar B C. A bar B C. Okay. Look at this. C D bar C bar D. C bar remains. D D bar cancels. A B C bar. Coming here, A B B B bar cancels. A is the common and C D. So you're going to get A C D. So this is your answer. Hope you understood why the unnecessary group should be eliminated. If in case if there was a quad, so that would be plus there is a 2 variable, which would make an expression bigger, which is not necessary. Okay. So let me go with one more problem. So reduce the following Boolean function using K-map. Reduce the following Boolean function using K-map and implement using basic gates. So once you reduce this K-map, you need to implement the expression using basic gates. Implement is nothing but you need to draw a circuit using basic gates. Which are the basic gates? And or not. You need to remember and or not are the basic gates. So look at this. Look at the expression. F of ABCD equals A bar B. F of ABCD, they are given ABCD, right? So once they are given ABCD, so it is quite understood that it is a 4 variable K-map. So look at this variable. We have 3 variables. Here 4 variables. We have 3 variables. Here 4 variables. Some of the variables, what is missing here? C is missing here. Here C is missing here. So can be written like this: A bar B bar D C bar plus C should be written, because if nothing is there, it can be written as taken as 1. So C bar cancel. You are going to get 1 plus A B C bar D bar plus A bar B D. So I am going to write C bar plus C plus A B C D. When we have 4 variables, don't do anything. Okay. When we have short of 1 variable, C is missing, so I written C bar plus C. Here also C missing, I written C bar plus C. So just multiply these things. A bar B bar C bar D plus A bar B bar C D. Okay. These 2 expressions are from multiplying these things. Okay. I will write as it is: A bar C bar D bar here plus A bar B C bar D plus A bar B, okay, C D plus A B C D bar. Sometimes there might be a chances like 2 expressions might be same. 2 expressions might be same. In that case, you just remove one and keep the other one. That's it. There might be a possibility like you might come across duplicates. Okay. In such a case, you just need to take one into consideration, forget about the other thing. Just like 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0, sorry, 0 1 0 1. This is 0 1 1 1. This is 1 1 1 0. So you are going to get an midterms like summation of small m. 0 0 1 is 1. This is 3. And this is 8 plus 4 is 12. This is 4 plus 1 is 5. This is 7. This is 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is you are going to get. So after you are going to get K-map. You are going to fill by looking at these midterms. You are going to fill the K-map like this. I just already filled. Remaining places will be filled with zeros. Okay. Now look for, is there any octant? Is there any 8 ones? Adjacent one, 8 ones? No. After overlapping, after rolling, something like that, there is no possibility of an octant. Okay. Is there any possibility of a quad now? Yes, there is a possibility of a quad. How? So there is no ones here. So you can go with this quad. Okay. So is there any possibility of extra quads now? If there was 1 and 1, you could have made a quad like this. So there is no 1 here. So this is 1 and this is 1. So there is no more possibility of a quad by rolling or overlapping, something like that. So then you should go for a pairing. So is there any possibility of a pair now? 2 ones, 2 adjacent ones. So there is no 1 here, there is no 1 here, there is no 1 here for this one. So now think about rolling. If you roll like this paper, so this one and this one will meet. So I am going to make a pair like this. So let me write the expression for this one. Y is equal to, what is the expression for this one? C bar C cancels, D bar remains. Here B bar B cancels, A bar remains. So what is the answer? A bar D plus, what is the expression for this one? A B, look at this, C bar D bar and C D bar. D bar D bar will be same, C and C bar will get cancels. D bar is here, A B is here, so A B D bar. So this is the expression what you are going to get. So look at the question. You need to implement. So what is the question? Reduce the following Boolean function using K-map. You reduced it now. Okay, you got an expression. K-map technique and implement using basic gates. You need to implement this reduced form using basic gates. Basic gates means and or not. Okay. So when there is a plus, what gate it is? It is an OR gate. When there is no plus, when there is a multiplication, what gate it is? It is an AND gate. So you are supposed to make use of how many gates? When there is a bar, you are supposed to make use of a NOT gate. So let me write this. Right. A, B, D. Okay, we have three variables, A, D, A, B, D. So totally I have written like this. So this is first you are supposed to write an AND gate. AND gate. So two inputs for this AND gate. One is A bar, other is input is D. So I will take one input from D. So another input is from A bar. I am going to pass A here. So this is going to form A bar, A bar, A bar D. The output of this is A bar D. Okay. So next you need A B D bar. So you need an AND gate here, 3 input AND gate. One input is from A. This is A unit, right? So one input is from A. Another input is from B. So another input is from D bar. I am just taking a connection from here. I am just adding a bar. That is nothing but the NOT gate. The output is A, B, D bar. Both of them should be connected by an OR gate. This is an OR gate. So what would be the expression? A bar D plus A, B, D bar. This is the final expression. So in this question they are asked basic gates. In the next coming questions we will solve some of the questions where they will be asked you need to implement the circuit like this only by using NAND gate or only by using NOR gate. I will show those sort of problem as well.